Alright guys, here I am. Get my fingers out of the way. Look at the little key ring I made today on the 3D printer that does the polymer. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's a fidget and it's a heart with gears on it. I also made these, and these glow in the dark. They're made with PLA, the glow in the dark ones. And then I got some little balloon guys. I'm gonna add key rings to them, or the chains and stuff, and we'll go from there. I thought that was cool. And right now, I'm waiting on my dragon that I did to cure in the wash and cure. And as soon as that's done, I can take it apart and, or not take it apart, but take off the supports and let it dry overnight. They say it's good to let them stay about 24 hours before you try painting them and stuff. So, but this is almost done. 3 seconds left. I'm gonna put the phone just like this so you can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna turn it off in the back. And grab that, it's nice and cured. Look at that, nice and cured and dry. Pretty cool. Let's take this off. Alright, we don't need that glove. And look at my dragon. Is that not cool or what? So, I'm going to start trimming these off. Some of them are kind of hard to get in there too. Oh, look how that worked. I don't want to force it, I don't want to break it. Okay, let's get some more of these off. And this is just some nail cutters, you know, cuticle cutters that I've got. Lord knows I have a bunch of them. Doing nails for 25 years. So, try not to get eaten by the mosquitoes out here. So, yeah, that goes. You know, in Texas, they say mosquitoes are big. They are. So, I'm going to try using this X-Acto knife and see how it works. See if it works better this way. I know there's feet in there, so I got to be careful. Somewhere there's some feet. Yep, I see them now. King Kong over there is moving around. Yeah, looks pretty good. I think I like this better. Just don't get in a hurry. Best way to mess things up, let me tell you. That little noise in the background you're hearing is my little AC unit I got over here. You put the little cartridge in the freezer and then you put it in there. I haven't started using the cartridge yet. Cartridge. Okay. Alright, that looks good. Piece come out, and this little piece needs to come out. All right. These are already, I've already cut them, so I'm just pulling them out. When they don't come out, I know I haven't cut them yet. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna move the camera so you can see me better. I hope you can see me better. Some of these are hard to get to. But they're not attached either. They're just like supports that are in there. Tomorrow I'm going to do some resin videos. I've got a couple ideas that I want. Oop, don't want to cut that. That's a foot. So, tomorrow is Miniverse Sunday. And I need to do another one because I got it coming out tomorrow. It's just so hard to get anything done with Ripley and then with me keeping little kids. So I need your support, guys. I need you to help me build my channel. I went over to that Bee Crafts and I was told I didn't have enough subscribers. And I thought you only needed to have 100 subscribers. I've got almost 500. But they said that they would keep an eye out and kind of hurt my feelings. So, now I don't know if I want to do it with them or not now. So, but anyway, that's life. Not everybody loves me. I have to invest in some protective goggles. Do I have some? I thought I had some, but I don't know where they're at. On my 3D printer in the house, I've got a Harry Potter bust going on. And that should be interesting. I just gotta get these loose so I can get them. That's good. See if we can get it off now. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Yay, I got him loose. Wonder. There they go. They come off a lot easier now. Most of them. Oh, I still got the sniffles. It's time for medicine dough. Can't wait to paint this. I've never used my airbrush machine. I have an airbrush machine and I've never used it. So I am going to break it out. I've got a mosquito biting me. Okay. Come on, come on. All right. Get these out. Just don't want to break its little feet. Hang on, let me get it closer to me so I can see how this works. Because I want to say, yeah, you want that little back foot there. Yeah. Okay, we want to keep those on there. And slowly, look at the little feeties. That one looks like it's got like 6 toes. Yep. Not anymore, I just lost one. Alright. Well, that looks good. That went right in the mouth. Alright. So, that, I think, doesn't go up like that. Alright, guys. I'm going to move this mess out of the way. And bring you around here to see my little miniature dragon. Isn't he cute? It's a little lopsided here. Wait a minute, what happened? I hope I'm still recording. It looks like I am. So, got a few little things I gotta fix in here. Like that's got to come off. And, you know, now he'll stand up just perfect. Look at that. There we go. And there is my dragon. So now I have a dragon. And I have Ron. And I have Harry. And I have Hermione. Check that out. So we're going to let them sit and dry. I may have to take a little sandpaper and do a couple of, I've got these little strips that are like nail files, but they're not nail files for your nails. They're for getting into little places. So I may take them in the house and do that part since the mosquitoes have decided that I need to be lunch. So what do y'all think about this? Very simple machine. Very simple machine. I was really thinking this resin would be hard, but it's not at all. I've really enjoyed it today. You know, so far I made the tester, which is the famous cube for the ANYCUBIC. And I've got everything set up in here. I've got my UV thing away from the light. And I'm just really excited about how it's all worked out. So if you like this video, let me know. And we'll see you soon. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wait a minute, there's something on his face. Did I not get all the... No, I didn't. Hang on. Let me get that little tag there. There we go. Rawr. What a neat dragon. Ha ha ha. This is so much fun. Well, y'all enjoy. Have a good evening. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. And remember, help me get my channel up there so I can get some sponsors. That would be awesome. Because with everything that I like to do, I think they'll like it. And thanks, Marva, for liking the video earlier. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.